Earlier this morning I was feeding my cat some new big boy food and some bizarre stuff went on, so I thought just to be safe I would go and hide somewhere. So I came here to this beautiful Admiral way home. It's a new listing from our teams Jody and Zach Hill. Excited to host... Tigger, no! Go away! Go home! Go home! Anyway, look at this beautiful kitchen. It's so cool. This house has 4 bedrooms on multiple levels. It's close to 3,000 square footage and it's just so beautifully appointed. Oh, Tiggy, go home! Wood burning fireplace, plenty of room for so many people. Big Christmas tree. Oh my God!
Tiggy, go home!